degree in English, master in applied linguistics, and currently doing PhD. Okay, anything else that you want to know about me?
How old are you, doctor?
39. I'm the same with not Anusha. Who is it? It's now from Ipoh, 39. Vajanta Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
The same age as you.
Okay, nice to hear that.
Nice to meet you. Okay, how many from Ipoh exactly? So lah, ugly lah the camera. So shy to share. I'll buy a new camera later.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. How many from Ipoh? So far that I've known only four of you only. Tak ada dah. Only 4 from Ipoh. Loh. Oh, 11. How come only 4? I'm not sure. Okay, then. Anyone else would like to share about their particulars or introduce yourself? What is AA?
Group Melaka.
Oh, Group Melaka. So AA is a person as a group or admin? Who is this AA?
Name of our group Melaka, AA. Ipoh maybe O or Kuantan Q.
No. There's this person just coined as AA. That's the name. How do you make your group become a person? Oh, just sign in from the phone, so someone else lah. I don't know who. Dari bila? Sorry. Okay lah, let's learn a bit lah. Not actually that much. Your course, surprisingly, you can just learn it in the first meeting. Afterwards, no more learning, more on your assessment. Okay, so communication, formal correspondence, formal letter, formal email. Wait up. Try to open it. Let's discuss about your ni lah. Have you opened your URM online? Done? Or never before? Dah tengok URM online, your online learning?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Oh, Google Chrome. Nice. I can say Google Chrome. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, they just uploaded the first meeting. So gradually, you need to open it from time to time lah. Because afterwards, then you have your second meeting. Because as of now, we have only, I think this one is yours, right? JA is yours, right? Or you are JG? You are April, right?
Yes, April session.
Okay lah. So this is the one that they uploaded lah. So you have the academic plan, and these are the 3 things that you need to do. So okay lah, we'll dive or we'll discuss it together. Okay, this is blah 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 blah. Okay, focus on this one only. So you have no like not actually writing per se, just need you to show me the progress. Okay, because first of all you have your formal correspondence, which is later I'll show you lah the task. I think this one but I'm not sure what you're seeing on your computer. Whether I'll see them. What are you seeing? Assignment 1 formal correspondence, yes? There are actually few items lah that you need to upload. Only this part, formal correspondence, and then the rest of it, you just need to do some virtual meeting. So on the second part, when you're on the second meeting, it will be virtual. You don't need to come to class, or you want to come, up to you lah. We'll be meeting in virtually on the day because I need to record the meeting. Because later on the Nelaras will ask for the proof, something like that. So I need to formally record the meeting. Sorry again. Okay, so there are three things only. 30% for correspondence, 30% for meeting, and then from the meeting, you'll come up with a new solution, new what we call from the fruit from the meeting lah. So you need to do some pitching. Okay, before we give you some sort of problem within the second meeting, which is your formal meeting, and then you need to do pitching on meeting 4. Meeting 3 got nothing. You just need to update. So you just need to update me what's the progress on your after your meeting, what have you done. Okay, because on the pitching part, you need to also submit me the slides and what is it that you have agreed on. Make sure it's daily lah, because in the past semester, the meeting is another, then the pitching is another. So it's kind of, I don't know how to mark that. There's no continuation or continuum to that pitching. Make sure lah yang kalau meeting, formal meeting ni nanti you'll be given a situation. Make sure that the pitching follows the situation. Kalau situation tu A, follows lah. The pitching is about A. Situation is B, follow lah. The pitching is about B. So on and so forth. Okay, kalau tak, then tajuk lain. Macam susah nak tengok kesinambungan or the relation to it. Okay, so for that, nothing much. Okay, this is the what we call your assessment detail. Okay, you'll need to do later on. I'll show you the task lah for the formal correspondence. Okay, for 30%, you need to do 2 writings. The first one is a memo. The second one is a letter. Okay, memo tu just in dalaman lah for the internal. Meaning for your either your employees or your management or basically the two lah. Okay, anyone for the memo lah. What is it that you need to communicate through your memo? I got a problem connection. Can you hear me? Boleh dengar?
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, so for this one, you need to start submission for this one, but only 2 items. Ada memo, ada letter. 2 je. Okay, so for that, yang ni kena tengok lah, because you need to do submission, we'll do your turn it in record lah. So on the turn it in, ada bawang. On the turning in, there will be 20% remarks for the turning in. However, so because we have also the AI, there will be also the deduction of the marks with the AI lah. Okay. Kalau the AI 30% to 40, 5 marks, on and so forth. Okay. Itu je Kak. So basically, make sure it's below 20% lah for the turning in. For the AI, I need to read it again and again to see whether there is a polarity on that. Okay, so that will be for the
Sir,
correspondent. Yes.
what is different between yang similarity index dengan turning in tu? Ada beza ke?
Ada. Because this one, the AI, they'll send the report to us. For the turning in, you can just see this one. I'm not sure the report on the turning in, whether you can see the AI or not. The paid version cannot code. Because the UUM, yeah lah, they got pay for anything. So we can see the AI index lah. But no worries, the AI is actually need to read again because you'll be verified again and again. If let's say I can judge you based on your engagement in class, your language wise, what you use. Okay, kalau tiba-tiba bahasa tu bombastic sangat, then we know something happen lah. But it's just the language is just okay, meaning it is humanized. Okay, you can use AI. No, there's no actually penalty for that. But use it correctly, I think. Okay. So I think this one your what we call academic plan. Later I'll share lah kot. Banyaknya. Penat. Okay, dah habis. Okay. So that will be for the correspondent. This one you need to submit. However, this one you just need to present both two. But to make it safe, I need you to show me the progress on this one on the meeting 3 and submit also the what we call as your slides. Okay, because you need to do a slides presentation, visual aids. You need to do anything that you can support your presentation on the day. Okay, make sure that you have engaging on Dizzy, and then you have to do some deadline for the pitching writing. Okay, because this one, like I said, on the meeting 3, you need to show me the progress. Show me what is it that you have done already. Okay, the discussion first. Okay, you already state your problem, what is it, and then you discuss. A little bit, you need to put on after this one, just make like small minutes of the meeting itself. Okay, because you'll be doing the pitching based on the minutes, so it's easier lah. On the meeting itself, you'll be given 10 minutes to prepare, 30 minutes to do the presentation. Basically, just show us the tentative of the day. I'll show you later lah. I think we have it in the next meeting. Only 5 or 6, so we have 35 of you. So there'll be 7 group lah. Seven group. Or if you have already your group within your AA, your O group, then better lah kot. Just use that lah. Only 5 to 6. So it's easier lah for me to trace down. Okay. This one, you'll be given a problem scenario. Then you need to discuss on it. So you need to have all of the ranks to it. Kena adalah jawatan masing-masing, the CEO or the chairperson. Okay, the chairperson doesn't necessarily to be the CEO. Chairperson can anyone who call up the meeting. Okay, or you can just point out anyone lah, nak buat presentation ke apa ke. So yang tu kena buat lah. You need to introduce the taking and then also adhere to the meeting procedure. So tanyalah, I think you have done your meeting already too much, right, during your profession. So meeting tu tanyalah, what's your take on this, so everyone can contribute. And lastly, just roll call lah. Round table, not roll call, sorry. Your round table lah, ask anything that you want to add on, blah 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 blah. So that's all for today's meeting. It is adjourned. Thank you. Dah cukup lah. Okay, 10 minutes to prepare. I'll show you later a recording lah. Not today, but I'm not sure where's the recording. So I'll just show you on the next meeting lah. Okay, so that you can study a little bit. Or later on, if I can cut it, maybe I'll share it in the WhatsApp group lah. Kalau jumpa.
Sir,
Okay, because yes.
Dia macam kita berlakon lah macam tu
Yeah, not actually. Okay lah, it's a scenario lah. It's not much like role playing lah. So you need to be somebody. Point yourself lah among yourself within that 10 minutes. Buatlah satu macam proper organisation to it lah. Siapa nak jadi spokesperson ke, siapa nak jadi MC ke, siapa nak jadi CEO ke, siapa nak jadi treasurer ke. Anything goes lah, but make sure you have everything lah. I'm not sure that I have it later because I need to find it. So give me some time, maybe I can show you later lah. Supposedly ada recording, tak ada.
Sorry sir, I will interrupt. I want to ask about the scenario.
Okay.
About the scenario, which is random or have the scenario in the course content.
Random lah. I'll pay that on the day.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So basically, these are the ones lah that you need to put up in your document. You need to have your agenda. You need to have your notice. Skrip ni tak payah lah kot. Kalau sempat buat. Sempat tak payah. Biasa je lah. Alah, pendeknya. Ini je. Okay lah, this one is a memo anyway for you to call out the meeting. So you just follow lah, blah 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 blah. Agenda of the day. Better on the day you have some sort of ranks to it, so everyone know who's who. And of course lah, on the day kena buka kamera lah. This one on the second meeting. This one's the ni lah. Ni minit kalau nak bagi cakap-cakap lah. But of course lah, you cannot make it in 10 minutes, right? Macam high risk ya, 10 minit nak buat datang tu. Okay kot. Nak yang meeting. But basically just one person, sama je. Okay, just one person show you this lah. Just show the agenda is already enough. Tunjuk agenda je. You can see my screen, right? Kena nampak kan?
Yes.
So just on the day, you have the meeting, you'll have your situation. Just show the situation here and copy the agenda lah. I think for that level. Just follow the agenda lah. So everyone knows their role, their turn. And then the chairperson need to delegate the task and make sure to navigate the meeting well. Okay, tak ada lah just orang tu tak buat apa-apa, something like that. because we need to see your communication. Like I said lah, this one you'll have it done already too many times during your profession, so don't think you have any problems with that. Okay, so on the day, this one you need to show, and then just discuss among 5 of you or 6 of you, what is it the problem on the day for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes not that long. That's the maximum minutes to it. Don't make it like 1 hour meeting lah. Kasihani lah kata orang. Because together you have around like 7 group times 30, you have 3 hours and a half for this only. But there is also exclusion if let's say something happen on the day or your group mate is not complete. So just let me know and we reschedule on the day. So anyone that can present on the day, make sure you present. The other 1 or 2 group that cannot present on the day, if let's say you have some sort of emergency or I don't know, because latest one that we'll have, maybe suddenly a new PRK or back then we will have some sort of emergencies whereby you need to be on the site so you cannot join. Ada yang kena masuk hutan lah, apalah. But it's okay lah. Let me know and maybe we can schedule for that. But make sure everyone shows up on the day lah, on the date. I'll give you a link. Show me what you have done. I'll give you a title and proceed with the recording lah. Because everything need to be recorded. Takut nanti penyelaras minta. Okay, this one nothing much. Like I said, this one is a script. However, nak follow memang tak sempat lah in that 10 minutes. Just make do lah within that 10 minutes. This is just the script for scenario. Kalau nak buat the starting point lah. Okay, but put your own creativity and understanding lah in the crafting the conversation. Kalau macam nak based on boleh lah. Macam lepas ni apa jadi ke apa jadi ke. Because it's a meeting, supposedly the idea itself is for us to see whether you can carry on the meeting or not. Like I said lah, this one, when we are doing it, we are preparing the undergrad students that has not still working. So that it hasn't worked. So we're trying to give them the scenario of what will happen in the future. But let's say you are already working, so we don't need to show you anything lah. Just need to make use everything lah. Okay, clear? Anything else that you want to ask?
Sir,
Yes.
the agendas must be more than one. Or just one? Just one only can.
More than one meaning?
The agendas we must state.
Oh, must eight? No, doesn't necessarily eight. Just put one pun okay dah. One. Just
one only
emergency
can.
lah. Huh?
One only can lah.
1 can, 2 can. As long as you can navigate that for like 20 or 30 minutes, that's okay. Just put, if you want, just put one. Win lah. Emergency and then any other. Dah cukup. But we need to have something like that lah, so everyone can base on something. So they know lah what they are talking about. And then, yalah, nanti kalau macam, if you were to present some sort of like without no reference of this one, kalau tak ada macam tunjuk macam ni, nanti macam, I don't know, lost or something. We try to avoid that lah. Okay, clear. Anything else that you want to ask? Clogging my hidung. do something. Tak ada. This one you can find it in your ni ha. Everything is here. Only not the situation lah. I think the situation will be given on the day lah. Yang hari ni kita nak buat yang ni je. Assessment ni je. Nanti saya tak ada unhide pun. I'll let you screenshot lah. Same thing je pun. Okay. Ni minutes tak bayar lah. Tapi but if let's say you want to show us group, must be 5 or 6. Yes, must be 5 or 6 only. Or 4. I think the minimum is 4. I think. Because 5 or 6 is okay lah. We need to speak for 30 minutes kan. Cakap 4 orang je macam penat. Okay. For the minutes, it's okay for you to have after the meeting. So that you can show me the progress later on the meeting tree. Daripada yang tadi kita dah bincang, okay, ini kita punya ni lah. This is what we come out from the meeting lah. So and then what is it? And then it was a jam. And that's all. So it's a make up like a point of a reference for you to that part, because you were to give us the pitching letter on the solution that you have found from the meeting. Okay, meeting is about blah 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 blah. So the solution is about here. So this is what we are proposing. So we're proposing to combat the issue again. So this is what we are trying to do lah. Blah 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 blah. Comel meeting ni. Blah blah. I should make like this. My meeting is too comprehensive. Okay. Anything? Tak ada dah. Nak buat yang hari ni je. Ni je. Ni banyaknya. Apa ni? Oh. This is for corresponding.
Sir,
Yes.
yang apa ni? Yang letter yang apa correspondent tadi tu submit hari ni ke?
Within the week lah. So I can open it later until next week lah. So until
Submit on OL lah.
OL later I'll ni lah. Because so far we need to discuss also on the ni lah submission. You'll be given only a week for you to submit. Banyak meeting ada. Darah. Makin kali mulai. Oh, pitching. Itulah. Senario we provided. Tapi itulah. Dia tak show lagi dekat sini kot. Tengah fikir lah tu. Tengah fikir tu, tak ada tajuk lagi. Nanti on next week lah kot. Then you'll have your scenario. Which scenario? Tak apalah. That scenario I'll let you know lah. Tak ada you? Ni lah kalau ikut markah. You have 30%. So kat sini 12, kat sini 18, 20. And then kena bahagi pula. 32 bahagi. Tak lalu.
Doktor, yang markah ni doktor bagi ke pace yang bagi?
Pace. Tapi tak apa je pun. Cakap je. Make sure that you have voices not on the day. Ini bagi guidance je. Then later we need to submit all the ni lah, all the markings to them, so they will have justification on why is it here, blah 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 blah. Oh, ini je, pendek je. Scenario later lah, I'll share the scenario later lah in the ni ha. Not scenario, the correspondent for in the WhatsApp group later. So your assessment and the meeting that you want to ask, I need you to go marking sorang-sorang. Yes.
Boleh tegakkan tak apa tu yang pitching tu?
Pitching. Okay, for the pitching. Sekejap, mana tadi? Angkat. Mana tadi? Pitching. Correspondent.
Dia menyanyi ke pitching tu?
Bukan. Pitching meaning you are proposing. Okay, daripada meeting tadi, and meeting tu you come up with your own solution. Itulah lah, nak tunjuk situation pun tak ada. Meeting dia tak bagi tajuk lagi. But from the meeting, let's say for the meeting, the situation is like you have low apa benda panggil on the multimedia tu. Low interaction with the audience lah whenever that you are talking about podcast. Macam contoh lah, I think about podcast kot dulu. Okay, or podcast or any social media, so you have low interaction, how to gain your track. Macam mana nak jadikan dia viral ke, FYP ke, or relevant ke. Okay, so that is the situation. So afterwards you need to discuss lah among your stakeholder. Kenapa tadi? Ni correspondent. Mana yang pitching tadi? Okay, so after the meeting, tadi dah bincang pasal how to gain traction to your social media kan. So you have your solution like need to invest more on your advertisement ke, or need to invest more on your content ke. So for that content, in order for you to gain that content, what is it that you need to do? You need to go like propose some sort of reinforce work dekat macam summer house ke apa ke. So we propose, after we have come up with that, we need 1 week vacation fully paid to this location for us to generate ideas to get the tractions that we need to entail the proposed problem. Okay, so because we need problems that kita orang nak buat macam retreat lah. So in that retreat, we need to gain again lah. What is the problem again? On the day, for several times of the day, we'll try to come up within a new content or a new apps that can help us with the content. And by the end of the retreat, we will have a new direction of the content. Not usually before this we have more on the scenario, but now we have more on the education. Contoh sebelum ni scenario kita bagi more on proper ke, okay, like the one that you have to track before this, nak make it FYP, sebut perkataan certain perkataan is hidden. But now we're more on educating. So on the day we will come up with a new video. We try to educate what is it that we are doing, rather than just show us what we are doing. We educate what we are doing, something like that. So the proposing or the pitching is for you to have a retreat or summer camp or summer house or mana-mana lah. Buatlah apa-apa pun. So basically pitching after comes with the meeting. So nak tak nak memang kena tunggu meeting dulu. Daripada meeting, awak keluarkan minit tu kat hujung tu cakap. So pitching dia kita nak bagi a new proposal, nak buat apa. Apa solution yang dapat daripada meeting berkenaan dengan problem. Itu je. Susah sikit nak faham kan? Anything? Anything? Okay dong. Mau boleh faham? Boleh? Yang ni nanti kena ni lah. Kena submit. The writing submission ni. Macam yang tadi nak cakap on week 3. On meeting 3, sorry. You need to do a summary. Ni yang tu lah minit. Minit mesyuarat tu. Minit mesyuarat. And also the slides later lah on what you want to present. So that I can see the continuation to it lah. Okay, so far anything that you want to ask? Oh, dah ada dah. Sampai 3 Mei. Baru.
Sir?
Yes.
The pitching tu, we need to write in report lah. Like meeting minute lah.
Tapi tak payahlah detail sangat. No need lah to be suddenly like the CEO just lah. Tak payahlah tulis. Meeting just nice dah lah. At least it shows lah you can do your pitching later. Macam ni kan, meeting sikit-sikit je. So at the end ni, apa yang kita dapat, apa yang ni.
Oh, maknanya kita write dalam format minit mesyuarat lah.
Okay, but it is advisable to do so lah. Macam at least you know lah what is it that you're talking on the day. Lagi masuk yang meeting pitching tak, kami dah lupa dah hari tu sembang pasal apa. Habis. Pasal yang ni berkait rapat dia ni. Yang ni tak ada. Yang ni just nak tengok je korang punya respon. Yang ni next meeting bagi dia punya situation. Yang ni akan follow dia ni. Yang ni ada continuation. Yang ni tak standalone. Ini just let to see your ni je, your writing.
Sir?
Yes.
Dia daripada yang first task tu, yang former correspondent tu, dia sampai yang last task tu, dia semua related ke?
Yang related 2 dengan 3. Yang ni tak related langsung. Yang ni memang standalone. Nak tengok korang punya writing je.
Okay.
Yang ni kena submit. Yang ni kena submit tu biar turn it in. Yang this one you just submit through the turn it in lah. To see this but I'm not sure boleh detect apa. Pasal sikit je pun. Ada kata submit. See? Water kataannya. But we need to have two lah. Okay. Nak belajar ke nak buat je?
So boleh tolong share tak PA ni, sebabnya tak dapat baca betul kan, sebabnya kejap ke atas kejap ke bawah kan. Jadi kita orang macam tak faham lagi, bukan tak faham macam mana, sebabnya senario dia tu sebabnya dia ada 2 dengan 3, jadi dia ada berkait, betul tak?
Tak. Yang 2, 3 tu tak ada lagi. Dia tak share lagi.
Dia tak share lagi. Sebab yang tu yang confused tu, dia macam rasa macam yang first tadi okey lah, individu tu, yang group tu macam ada tak macam confused sikit.
Pasal yang ni memang tak ada. Kalau tak, dia akan tunjuk dah senario kosong ni.
Itulah PA dekat dalam OL pun memang kami semua memang tak dapat. Jadi biasanya sebelum kelas memang kita akan tengok dulu. Tapi yang ni kita tak dapat tengok. Jadi kita tak dapat fahamkan betul-betul apa yang kata dimasukkan kan. Jadi biasanya kalau sebelum kelas tu kita akan nampak, at least kita faham lah apa yang saya cuba explain tu. Tapi sekarang ni kita orang masih bela-bela lagi kan. Tapi harap saya dapat masukkan dalam WhatsApp group kan. Kita boleh baca dulu. At least kalau katakan ada question ke apa, kita akan tanya balik lah macam mana untuk discussion macam mana.
Okay, for that, like I said, I don't have the situation yet. So tak boleh nak bagi tahu apa yang akan dapat on the day, because the coordinator usually update it before the meeting. So they let us know before the meeting. Macam hari ni Sabtu kan, pagi tadi pukul 7.30 baru kita tahu. So to provide the secrecy lah, so surprise or something like that. On the day itself lah baru tahu. Cuma dia cakap second meeting is online because you need to do a meeting itself. So meeting itself pun tak payah nak tunjuk apa sangat, just tunjuk the agenda je. Tu je. But the situation itself tak ada lagi tunjuk. Gradually they change it every semester pun. So they need to provide a new one for each semester. Oh. Ni proper ni lah. Proper chair. Okay, it's okay. No need to worry about the second or third. Just worry about the first one for now. Okay, anything that you want to ask? Do you want to learn something or just straight away you want to do it? Pasal communication pun tak ada apa pun. Dengan slide yang menarik ni satu je, yang lain tu formalities je.
Sir?
Yeah?
Apa ni, maksud kawan saya tadi tu, Wati tadi tu, dia nak minta, dia minta apa ni, kalau boleh minta doktor share ni apa ni yang academic plan ni sekarang yang doktor ni.
Yang academic ni tak dapat lagi?
Tak ada lagi dekat OL.
Tak ada share you already.
Pasal baru je check dekat online learning, tak available lagi, tak ada lagi. Kalau apa, share dekat WhatsApp group pun okey tak? Boleh tak?
Okay, can. Nak yang plan ni, academic plan tu? Pasal kalau yang the other one, tak dapat lagi situation. So macam nak tunjuk pun tak ada suggestion. Sekejap, makan nama academic plan dia. Hilang lah.
Oh, maksudnya apa, saya nak share yang betul, yang proper punya lah ya?
Tak, yang tadi dah proper dah. Sekejap. Mana dia? Agenda communication. Sekejapnya. Academic plan. Tak ada. Tentang koresponden. Mana kalimat plan betul? Cing. Koresponden. Tak ada apa ni. Oh, yang ni lah. I'll try this one lah. Sekejap. Jasmine Road yang di Kelantan. Okey. Kejap Okay, I already send you the academic plan.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Where do you share? At WhatsApp or OL?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Wait up. I share wrong class ke? Macam dah send. Tak send ke? Dia tak send ke? Wait
We
up.
didn't get anything yet, sir.
Dia tak refresh lah. Dia send benda lain. Gambar nampak?
Gambar nampak.
Asal dokumen tak ada? Sekejap.
Textbook tarbiyah dari penjara.
Ini boleh nampak? Nampak ada academic plan tu.
Sir, another one.
Oh yeah.
Sir, online learning still empty ya?
Empty. Tak ada apa.
Nothing.
I don't know.
The submission, anything like that?
Kosong.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Share me your ni your screen.
Okay sir, okay sir.
Tak boleh send ke? Alah. Ada send 2 kali lah. Tak true. Okay, on a serious note, anyone know this guy? Razi Sawang? OL is empty AA. This one is?
Yes sir, yes sir. From
AA.
Melaka Center AA. Still empty lah doktor.
Tengah update kot.
Okay doktor, okay.
Wait up, I'm seeing now the queue. Saya pun klik je mana yang saya nampak. Sekejap. Let the
Group already
refresh it.
Ipoh dah ada sir.
Ipoh ada.
Ah,
Q ada because I'm seeing the Q.
Q pun ada sir.
So AA je lah. Okay, noted. Sekejap, bagi tahu coordinator tu ada. MT AA. Oh, sini. Satu. So far ada je. Refresh kot. Sekejap, kan aku salah tekan. Oh, ni JJ, sorry. JA lah. Oh lah. JA kosong. It's okay lah. I'll ask the ni ha. Ni ada email. Oh, dah dapat dah.
Okay, already tu.
Oh, dah 2 baru dapat. Okay, however, ada second document pasal you need to do your datang ni kan, apa nama tu, your correspondent, right? So correspondent, the question is on the submission. So on the submission, you need to download it. So for that, I download it for you. Then later you need to submit je. JA. Satu. Sama ke? Sama ke? Oh, bukan. Oh, lain. Interesting. Sekejap This is your correspondent task. Dan itu tadi aku download tadi. Sekejap. Okay, only for the AA. Later on lah, then after the coordinator update lah, then I'll open up your submission. But for others, I'll open it now lah. Is it okay? But you have until 3 May, if I'm not mistaken, the submission. Q. Responding. What the heck? Got it, the correspondent.
What, sir?
Yeah, correspondent task. Got it? Already sent the group.
Okay, sir.
Done, eh?
Submit now.
Now,
sir.
wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I open the ni lah. Okay, take a look at the correspondent. The detail lies in that. Anything that you want to ask? Kalau tak apa, I let you do the writing. Nak tanya apa-apa ke? Kalau tak nak pergi makan.
Sir,
Yo, what up?
kalau nak minta sampel correspondent tu kan, previous student boleh ada, boleh jadi rujukan ke?
Different situation. Yang sebelum ni pasal emas.
Okay, betul.
But you can find or browse through the ni je, the apa? URL ada sampel-sampel lain. Edit je. Tu sample letter ada dah. Siapa tadi yang penjara tadi tu? Lupa dah. Who's here from the prison itself? I think two person, right?
Yes, I am myself.
You are from
Jelebu prison.
Jelebu. The other one from Kajang?
Yes, sir. I am from Kajang prison.
You're not the youngest one, right? Yang tadi 26, Mutu, eh? Right. Can I not confuse identity dah? Do you know this guy? The one that I've shared with you? Kenal ke? Tak kenal? Cek buku dia. Okay, come back. So far, any question about your task? Kita masih lagi tengah mencuba buka. Oh, Facebook. Cool. Just ada masuk. Interesting. Okay, thank you so much.
Sir,
Yes.
sorry sir, I'm just go through the assessment detail ni yang academic plan sir bagi ni. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Sebenarnya kita kena buat memo for internal punya circulation. Lepas tu,
Yes.
and then secondly kita kena buat letter untuk kita punya potential client kan.
Yes.
Right. Did you have any suggestion topik ataupun apa yang kita nak senario yang you rasa ni? Sebab saya on off tadi sir, mungkin perhaps you dah explain tapi mungkin I tak berapa ni.
What happened or not?
Bukan, adakah lebih kepada macam nak meningkatkan syarikat punya ni ke, ataupun you ada you punya suggestion, contohlah.
Okay,
Memang
memang
kita ada list.
basically nak naikkan sale je sebenarnya, in short words.
Okay, that's mean it doesn't matter lah, depend on us lah. Company kita
doesn't
nak
matter lah.
kerja apa.
So for that, you need to ni lah, apa yang strategi yang kata nak buat tu, to promote the apartment complex, macam go for promotional parts ke apa ke, up to you lah. So basically now you are, for the task one, you are writing them to go to do some work. Okay, kalau task one ke lah, yang nak suruh dia orang naikkan sale. So on task two, you are not the manager anymore. You are the one yang dapat email daripada manager tu.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Tapi kalau jadi manager jual pun okay je. So basically there are two hats that you need to wear lah for that. Dia tak continue so different approach .
So memang senario tajuk dia memang terpulang pada kita, sir, kan?
Tak, yang this one for, don't go confuse for this one only for the ni je, task one je. For the meeting akan ada senario lain, usually around like 6 scenario. So for previous semester, different scenario lah from the others. So I cannot share you what is it that they did on the last semester, because for this semester maybe they are trying to do something else. Basically what we have usually a day or 2-3 days prior to the class, then we get the content on what is it that you need to do the meeting about. So kind of cool strategy actually.
Sir, nak tanya sikit je.
Yes.
Pasal yang tadi, yang dalam tu, task 1 dengan task 2 tu ada kesinambungan ke? Dia ada each other linked ke?
So okay, task 1 you are the manager. Task 2 you are the administrator. Not administrator, the one that you need to do and sell. Meaning the manager just send you the order, then you need to execute the order. So basically there are two roles that you need to take into consideration. The first one is the manager, the writing about to the and then the second one is the one that you want to find the buyer for the house lah.
For isu yang sama?
Isu yang sama. Isu yang untuk smart house tu juga. Yang untuk apa? Yang solar panel, smart home, automation. Meaning your eco-friendly apartment tu lah kita nak sell. Yang pertama tu, you are issuing a memo inside. Meaning nak bagi pada pekerja je. But on the second one, you are writing a promotional types of ni lah, letter to the buyer.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Okay, boleh Mat If there's nothing, then I want to go to eat something. Have you have your breakfast already? No.
Belum.
It's okay.
I'll open up the submission. 1 week, okay, got until 3rd of May. But need to check it first. Oh, dah ada ni Dah ada submission date. The O first. Group O.
Oh, dah ada dah, doktor. Ni.
Dah. Okay.
Dah. Alright, thank you.
Except for the AA lah. AA later ni lah, I'll ask them. Tak faham ni. Sila. Oh, AQ. Ojit dia. AA later lah I'll update in the WhatsApp after the coordinator PM. Okay, if not then browse through anything. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, let me know lah.